In this video, I'm going to show you how to create points on the surface that we created from the corridor. But the first thing I want you to do is go ahead and update your profile, your proposed profile. I want it to look like this now. So I'm going to right click on the profile and make sure you're open up your latest drawing that has the corridor surface in it. Right click on the profile, the proposed profile, and you're going to do profile, edit profile geometry, or you're going to come up here to ribbon and click geometry editor, either or. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click to the third box to the right, and you're going to have the profile view grid. Go ahead and change it to have these PVIs as stations and these grades in and out. So stations 10 plus 00, 12 plus 00. I'm going to go ahead and change that to 14 plus 00 and make it all even. So you're going to have a positive and a negative 125% out, and it'll automatically update here, and then a positive 1.25% out, and then a negative 0.36. So this is the profile we're going to use. Now when you do that, notice that your corridors now has this item that needs to be updated or rebuilt. So you're going to right click on the VC corridor and you're going to rebuild. If you can't see that, go ahead and hit the plus sign on your corridors, and you're going to right click on the VC corridor and you're going to rebuild. When you do that, it's going to update this surface right here. So there's my surface for my proposed. Now notice that the box, so I can put grades anywhere in here and it'll allow me to set a finished grade. If I hover over the top of it in here, you'll see that it has an existing surface and a VC corridor surface. So what I'm going to start doing now, I'm going to close this out, is I'm going to start putting spot grades on the front of these lots. So I'm going to come up to my points, I'm going to go to the Home tab, create ground data, pull down the points, and create points on surface. I want to create random points. Now notice down here in the command bar it says select the surface or press enter to select from list. I'm going to hit enter, and now I'm going to pick the VC corridor surface. That's the one I want to set points from, the VC corridor surface. So I select OK. Now it says please specify a point, a location for the new point. I'm going to turn my O snaps on and make sure that I have endpoint on and turn the O snaps. And I'm going to start putting spot grades on all of the front lots. Now what I'm seeing is the grades for all I'm seeing is the point numbers, so I'll have to update these in a minute. Alright, so now I have my spot grades for at least the front of the lots. So I'm going to highlight all those. Shift, I'm just going to pick all of those. And while I do that, I'll show you over here on my properties. I'm going to change the raw description to PG for proposed grade. I'm going to change the style to spot grade, and I'm going to change the point label to elevation only. When I do that, it automatically sets the elevation. I can actually hold this and see the cyan box. You can pull it over, pull it up, and you can pull it out. So we're setting spot grades for all the front corners. So I'm going to go ahead and select one and select similar. I don't want to select similar because then I'm going to select them all. So I actually have to select each individual one, or use my crossing windows. So my raw description is going to be PG, proposed grade. Style is going to be spot grade. Point label is going to be elevation only. So now I have set the front grade of all my front lots. We're going to have to do a specific grading plan for this, and I'll show you how to do that in class. Alright, that's it for now. In the next video, I'll show you how to do a section cut.